I'm talking about, baby!
Hey, we outside!
Alright, ladies and gents, we got something special today. Unboxing! Now, let's go bring us over to this side and for this other camera so everyone can see what's going on. Okay, so I haven't actually opened this package. In fact, the only thing that I've actually removed is personal information, packing slip, everything else, but we're gonna open this together. But this particular package is from Shaftworks, so those of you familiar with their actual work already know or kind of have an idea as to what is inside this box. Wow, it's like there's hella tape. Well, I can imagine why, just because hefty. Yeah, okay. The staple. Oh, let's move it back a little bit. Center it with the camera. Ooh. That's right, folks. We have all of our awesome... Oh, cool. So Jonathan Lugod, big shout out to Jonathan Lugod over at Shaftworks for hooking it up with the awesome stickers. So these are, is it Bilanx or Bilanx, or not sure how to pronounce it. But this is my two-way suspension for the 2025 racing season. Maybe if we get it on and like up and running, maybe we could do before then. But yeah, with Penske remote reservoirs. So super excited about that. Gotta figure out a good place to mount that. So yeah, these are two-way adjustables. We'll take out one just so we could say, who is that? Oh. Hello! We have a special guest. This is Roxy. Roxy, baby girl. Did you want to smell the suspension? Okay, here, you can smell. Come here. Smell? Smell? Does it pass in customs? Does it? Okay. Yeah, does it pass customs? It does? I hope so. We waited a good long time for this. Anyway, so yeah. And what does this mean? This means that we can actually adjust not only dampening, but rebound. Very, very nice. And I love how it actually, we can do it on both cameras. It actually tells you do not adjust, raise and lower by spring perch only. So this right here. Let me get this to fold so that the other camera can see it too. So don't move this, don't adjust from here. And I love how Jonathan goes out of his way to let you know that this is front right. That's where it's to be placed. Super cool. So I'm super excited. And what I love about what Shaftworks does is they'll actually give you the dyno sheets, because these are all custom valved, right? Ooh, as a reminder, during install, torque the spring perch and a shock body lock rings after mounting them in the car. Nice. See? Jonathan Lugod. Super cool. And those of you that don't know, Jonathan Lugod was actually in Grid Life. Competing in Grid Life this year. In, I believe, a wide-bodied Del Sol. Okay, so what we're actually looking at is shock dynos. Wow, rod pressure, gas pressure. Cool, it actually breaks all this down. Do I actually know what I'm looking at? No, absolutely not. But if I'm not mistaken, usually there is. Oh wait, rebound, compression. Okay. Cool beans. I'm not sure the difference between the yellow and the blue, but it is what it is. We'll go through it. Oh, wait, Ride heights are not preset. Locking collars light lift. After a couple hundred miles, also recheck the torque in the upper and lower mounting nuts and bolts. Cool beans. Okay, so yeah, we have everything here that we need, but I definitely wanted to just show you, because I know I haven't posted in a while. I haven't shared anything. But yeah, this should be good. Damn, I've never had an actual two-way suspension with a remote reservoir. I'm actually really excited. Hopefully this will be able to handle a lot more bus stops and Doritos. That's the hope anyway. But yeah. Oh. We'll just switch to this camera. But yeah, so that's the hope. So really glad that these came in. There'll be more oh my god, I'm sweating. The perspiration's hella real. It's warm down here in the den. Really looking forward to the next upcoming weeks, because more and more parts will start to come in to replace the parts that I've sold. Speaking of which, my current Bilanx racing suspension will be for sale. That only has like 100 miles on it because I've just rebuilt them through Jonathan Lugat at Shaftworks, so those will be up for sale. But yeah, it looks like I have a few emails to write to Jonathan to figure out what the starting point is with these adjustments, because or maybe don't adjust anything for right now and do the break-in period. But yeah, I'm gonna find out more information on that, and then I will update everyone accordingly. But yeah, super excited. But thanks for joining. Like, comment, subscribe. Helps out with the algorithm of the channel. And I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Peace.